Hi, Tono. How are you? Oh, wait me, ha? Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, okay. Me is on trouble today. Me, no,
Teacher,
no, Tono. Yeah,
teacher,
yes.
you talk with me. We'll have free talking.
Oh, yeah, we will have free talking. Oh, you talk today. What is our topic? Okay, today we are in the other country. I will show you. You want to see that side? Here.
No, no.
You don't want? Here. It's the view. It's a city. Where, ha?
Um,
Mm, Look at me. And look.
um,
It's a city.
mhm.
Yeah. Gillian is sleeping, is laughing. Gillian is laughing. Gillian is there, sleeping. Okay, so what is our topic for today? Tono, Tono told me, she will be going somewhere,
Yeah.
uh, with, Messi's family.
I think, I think she will go into. She's going to Twin Parachute.
Yeah, yeah. Is that far from your place?
Hmm?
Is that far from your place?
Quite far.
Oh, quite far. And then, she told me that she will go there with vacation, with the family members. But you've been there in Wee, right?
Hmm?
You've been there in Wee?
What?
You went to Wee?
Yeah.
Okay. So how is it? How is it?
It's beautiful.
It's very good. Okay, it's very good. Okay. Now, okay. So by the way, I have particular topic. So we have topic to talk. Okay. So by the way, do you have phone, cell phone, tablet? What did you use?
I think smartphone.
A smartphone. Okay. So when was the first time you have your smartphone?
Who?
When was the last time you had your smartphone?
Hmm. The last time.
Yeah, the last time you had. When was your first smartphone?
First.
Yeah, first.
Um. Last year.
Last year. Oh, who buy that one?
Mm, my father.
Okay. Now we have vocabulary. I don't know if you're familiar with the word confirm. So when you see the word confirm, oh, you will say, yes, teacher Ann. Yes, teacher. Okay. Okay, deliver. Oh, in Vietnam, no. Are you familiar with Shopee?
Hmm?
Shopee.
Shopping?
Yeah, are you familiar with Shopee and Lazada?
What?
Shopee and Lazada. Are you familiar with Shopee and Lazada?
No.
Oh, you're not familiar with Shopee and Lazada. Okay. So anyway, Shopee and Lazada, they are website in which you can order something. Okay, it's some kind of website in which you can order something. It's a website. Okay, so we have here phone messages. Okay, we have task. Okay, so in the phone, of course, okay, there are a lot of things that you can do in the phone. What do you think you will gonna do in the phone? Like play, message to your friend, or what?
mm, like watch TikTok and message
Oh,
to my
you're
friends.
you're a TikTok girl. Okay, don't you know that
Uh-huh.
TikTok, you know what? Teacher and try to love TikTok because you know why? I want I always I know I once uh see the live in the TikTok. There's a live in the TikTok, right? There's a live. Yeah, can you see the live in which you are going to TikTok shop? In the TikTok shop, there is live. Okay. So in the TikTok shop, you can see there the live TikTok. So you can a teacher try to like this. Like, TikTok shop. Tang tang tang. But I don't know much about TikTok. I only go there because I watch the live in the TikTok.
Um,
Like shop. There's a shop, right? There's a lot of shop in the TikTok. Yeah, so many shop in the TikTok.
teacher, wait me please.
Yeah. Pwede makita lagi na itong Ayala diri day. Ha? Na Ayala. Sino yan? Asa ba? Na kanang Ayala sino? Asa? Naman ka na orange. Nge, wait me ha. We just go to the bathroom. Wait me. Ako kanya? Ako ko ba? Urgency. 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 Eh. Okay, one. Okay, namin. Ini kalau dari episode mulai. Ako po. Light meal ba? Ha? Light meal. Pwede magkuan rata? Pwede bang light meal ba? Baka naman di rice. Kani, pwede mag-burger rata? Dumi sa hotel, oh. Dapat ay barato na dyan is Terranova ma. Kaya taong needed. Ano, ba sa Terranova? Pasigahan po sila sa Terranova sa Ayala. Okay? So we have here,
Okay.
so yeah, so phone, we are talking phone. So in mine, mostly, I go to TikTok shop because I can find there a lot of uh, very cheap and not expensive things. So in Vietnam, what do you have TikTok shop or do you have Shein, Lazada, Shopee? Where
I
you
think
will order?
we have TikTok. We have TikTok
Shop.
shop.
Oh,
Yeah.
have you tried to order?
Have
Have you tried to order?
yeah. Yeah.
Wow, what did you order? Or your mom? Your mom do?
Hmm?
Your mom order? Me?
No.
It's you. Or
No, I don't. I know. I don't use.
TikTok shop. Who use TikTok shop in the family?
No.
No one used.
No.
Okay. No one
No.
used?
No.
Okay. So no one used TikTok shop. Okay. So we have here. So we have here. Okay, I will just have this getting ready. Okay. So part of that is voicemail. Are you familiar with voicemail? Like when you say, I will send message. Hello, Tono. Or in the message, I will press the voice call and then you will gonna listen. Have you done that one? Have you tried? Like
What?
voice message.
Yeah.
Okay, like there is in your phone, there is like a microphone. You will gonna choose and then
Yeah. I have.
hello
Yeah.
Briggs, hello Briggs. Okay, like that. You will gonna have to hey voice messaging. Okay, so voice message is very easy than type the message. Okay, it is very convenient to have voice message than to have the message, right? It is very easy to have voice message. Very convenient to have voice message. Okay. So listen to these messages on Andrew's voicemail. Circle the correct message you. Okay. So let us have
No,
Andrew
we're
is
just free talking.
okay, you want free talking. Okay, let us talk. Oh, you don't like this. Okay, let us have this. Free talking. Oh, you're happy today. Why you're happy?
No.
Yeah. Today, Ngi, we went to the mall. To the mall. Okay, because Jillian buy something for classes for school because the school it will be opening. It will be opening already for the school. So she tried to buy a lot. Right? She has this pencil. I don't know. It's Deli pencil. Nice one. Okay. Did you buy something for the new school for the school year or for the opening of class ni? School like bags. What else? Like pens, notebooks. Oh, did you buy that one already or not yet? Okay, Jillian has this one. Oh, look at this. Just like it's a pen. It's color black. Okay, she bought this in the morning. Oh my, it's color black lagi, Jill. So many? 10? Yeah, look at me. Oh my God, it's so scary. The pen is all black. Like she has like this. It's the color of the pen is black. I don't know if it's nice, but it's expensive. It's 110. It's expensive, quite expensive. How about you, Neil? Did you prepare something for school or not yet?
What?
Did you prepare something for school like notebook? Okay, did you prepare that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's good. Oh, you prepare something? Jill's quite expensive. How much is this
Hmm?
all? 1,000 because of the socks. The socks is expensive. Okay. Because she buy a socks to me. That's why it's sterling drawing. Sterling drawing expensive. Socks. Ah, okay. What is expensive here is the sterling drawing and the socks. Okay. It's 114 lagi. Why it's 114? 1,441. This one. 224. 129. Ah, 399 is 6 liner. 48 yellow. Ano man eh? What is 6 liner? 399 lagi. 6 liner 48 yellow. 399. You have 399. What is 330? Ah, okay. The liner. Okay. Okay. So she bought already school supplies. How about you? Your class will start on September, right? September. Your class will start in September.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
No, because I have first time to go to a lower secondary school, so
Oh.
I
So where are your other friends?
they study at the same school with me,
Ah.
and
Oh, really?
other and can be not same school. They will study at another school.
Okay, like Tono. Tono study in different school. You're not classmate anymore. Oh. Is your new school now near from your house or far? Your school now near from your house or far?
Near is near.
Okay, it is near. Okay, it is near. Okay, so yeah, I understand. Okay, so I know you are okay, you are excited. But somehow you're excited because you have to get new friends. Of course, you have to get new classmates. Oh, don't tell me you don't have new classmates. Of course, you will be having your new classmates with you. Okay, you got new friends, new teachers. Okay, right? So I know everything will change. Okay, like you have new environment. By the way, is the school as big as the one you had before? How about your school? Is it big?
I don't know.
You haven't tried it?
No,
You haven't
like
tried the school?
on September I will go to my new school.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's better. Okay, that's good. At least you will go there. Okay. So, okay, September 1st. 1st of September? What day in September?
Fifth.
September 5, you will go to the new school. Okay, is it far from
Yeah.
your place? Which is nearer? Your school now or your school before?
My lower secondary is near, and my primary school is near too, very near.
Okay.
I
So,
can walk by foot to go there.
your the primary school. Primary school. The primary school you can only walk.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
And
Wow.
my new school I can walk to because it's near.
Oh, that's good. At least you can walk to because it's near. Very convenient for you to go there because it is near. Okay, that's good thing. Okay, good thing. Best thing and best thing to decide. Okay, that's it. Okay. So I know, Tono, when our opening of school will be on next Wednesday. Okay, it's 31st of July. So we will be having our first opening of class. Okay, I know we are quite excited because we have new students, we have new set of teachers, we have 4 new teachers in our schools. Okay, and and of course, some of the students are new, so of course, yeah. And then our school, we build another floor, like 3rd floor in the school. Becomes bigger. But our school is far from the city. It's quite not noisy. It's very relaxing. Yes, really. very relaxing. It's not noisy because it's far from the city. And then, of course, we will be having a very excited year to come. Okay, I hope everything will goes out fine this year. Okay. Okay, so I have some questions for you to ask. Do you usually have phone messages from your friend or from your classmates, teachers? Do you have that?
Hmm?
Do you usually have phone messages from friends, from cousins, or from
Yeah,
teachers? Where
yeah,
did you communicate
from my
in Zelo?
friends.
Zelo.
Hmm?
You communicate in Zelo?
Yeah.
Because in Vietnam, Zelo is very famous. In other country,
Yeah.
it's PG or the Telegram. It's quite famous too. In my country,
Maybe
it's
Twitter.
Facebook. Huh?
Maybe can be Twitter.
Twitter. Yeah, you have Twitter too. So, how about your friends and classmates? Do you have JLo? Like
Huh?
you, JLo. You have JLo with your friends and classmates?
Yeah.
Yeah, we contact with JLo, right? We talk with JLo. Okay, we usually do it. Okay. Next one. Okay, here. What is the most important call that you've missed? What is the most important call that you've missed? Okay, so have you tried that someone is calling? Oh, I did not answer. It's important. Have you tried it?
Uh, I think yeah, maybe someone have like call me.
Someone has
Someone has like call me, but I didn't like
answer?
but I did like
Oh,
that. Like
you didn't answer?
yeah, I didn't answer, and I say, oh sorry, like I missed your phone like that.
you miss you miss your calls. Okay. How
Yeah.
about your dad? Will your dad call you in school?
No, I can't bring phone to school.
It's not allowed.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
like
not a
teachers are like don't
confiscate.
know what they, huh?
Confiscate. Confiscate. Like this.
Oh,
Do you know the word confiscate? Like, wait, like that.
confiscate.
Yeah. Confiscate, it means get.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Your teacher will confiscate your phone. Hmm?
Mm.
Oh, why? Why me?
I think maybe in the in the lesson, or maybe in the classroom,
Mm.
and when the teachers are is teaching, but somebody or my friend
Playing the
using the
phone.
phone in class, and they,
Oh,
yeah, they get a phone.
okay. Yeah, I understand. So when you try to get the phone, so it's it's very tricky because maybe you were gonna use the phone. So it's not good at all. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here. Oh, are you familiar with this? Very famous, right? Skype, Messenger, and Zelo. In Vietnam, Zelo is number one, right? You are avid fan of Zelo. You love Zelo a lot. So that is your most prized communications, way of communication. Communicate. How about Skype? Are you familiar with Skype?
Skype,
Skype, this one.
no, no, just my mom use Skype to
Yeah.
work.
Yeah. In the work, mostly old person or professionals, they love to use Skype. Okay, when teaching, okay, when having a meeting, okay, it's convenient for them. Okay. So so whenever if you are familiar with the voicemail, have you tried to send voicemail to the member of your family? Have you tried it? Like, oh,
No.
teacher, I don't like to type. I will just talk. Hi, daddy. Hi, dad. I want to come home now. Please fetch me. Oh, like that. Have you tried it, or you will gonna type?
Like a voicemail to member in family?
Yeah. Send
Yeah.
send a voicemail. Oh, it is very easy, because you don't need to
And
type.
we just like have a voice to send it, not
Oh,
like
wait, I will try. Nguban. Is there voicemail in Skype? Yeah, there is. Hi, Ngi. How are you today? Are you okay?
yeah.
Yeah. You try to listen. Okay, Ngi. Ngi. Ngi, this is a voicemail. I am trying it right now. I'm Teacher
Uh,
Ann. I'm trying the voicemail. Oh, there is a voicemail in Zelo too. Oh, really the same with with the messenger. Okay, so it's really the same. Okay, so we have here, of course, when you order something like TikTok shop, okay, there are reasons that somehow your order will delay. Because, example, you order in the TikTok shop like a bag or a shoes, and then it reach out, this order will arrive 7 days from now. But somehow there are delay of delivery. Do you know the word delay? Do you know this one? Delay.
yeah.
Oh, delay it means, oh, your order is not on time. Okay, example, your order will arrive July 31, but your order arrived August 5. That's delay already. But delay, what do you think are the reasons that why there's delay? What do you think? Like?
Mm, like um, I think maybe like they had so like around something they have to delay. Like when I go on a plane at 9 o'clock, maybe that, and the airline delayed it to 10 a.m. like that. It's like that.
Yeah, it's true. So that is other term for delay. Example, your flight is 12 and you find out, oh my God, my flight said there is a delay of 1 hour. Okay, that's delay. The same with your ordering. When you try to order in the shop, especially if there is a bad weather. I don't know in Vietnam if typhoon is always. In my country, there is always a typhoon. As in literally, there is always a typhoon. Typhoon is common in my country. It's really common. Yeah, it's common in my country. Typhoon is common in my country.
Mm.
Okay. Yes. Next one. I sorry, huh? Oh, wait. Okay, typhoon is really common in my country. So every month, or I guess every 2 months, there is typhoon. Okay, now there is a typhoon in the Luzon area, in the upper part of my country. Okay, so we have here in the situation a mother to son. Okay, it's Friday. Okay, let us not do this. Okay, so are you always going to the library in school?
Yeah,
Okay, do you
sometimes.
know? Yeah. Do you know what is librarian?
Mm, I think the librarian is like someone work in the library.
Okay, of course. He is someone who work in the library. He is the librarian. Okay, mostly he is the librarian. She is someone who works in the library. Okay, so in the library, mostly you can observe that silent. Okay, so you have to be silent when you are in the library. And the librarian will gonna get mad if you keep on shouting, if you keep on talking loud in the library. Because,
Um,
okay, in the library, it's It is a place to study. In your school, is the library very big? Is the library very big? Hmm? In your school, is there a library?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, it's quite big or small?
It's small.
Okay. So,
Like
yeah.
like no, like not small, not big, but like I think mm, I think it's large too.
Mm-hmm. But nowadays, we can always see, read, and check vocabulary in the Google. You don't need the dictionary, right? Dictionary can be found in your phone. It's easy, right? So that is why mostly only few people go to the library. Okay, if they want to have research in the library, they will gonna do it. Okay, but of course, research you can have it in the Google. Okay. Oh, okay, see you later. See you later. Okay, so see you later. Okay? Okay, thank you so much for today. I will see you on Monday again. Okay? Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Okay, so I know you're very excited with your class, but it will be on September. We still have 1 month to go vacations, to go. Oh, when will you go back to your grandma's house?
Huh.
When will you go back to your grandma's house?
I don't know. Maybe in that holiday.
Oh, when will be the Tet holiday again? I forgot. February?
Maybe June or February.
Oh, okay. So I know she'll gonna miss you. Okay. Bye-bye, Nip, for today. Thank you for attending Teacher Ann's class. I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye, Nip.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, enjoy. Take care.